Quite an interesting silencer I'm trying this morning. No idea of the make. Its overall length is 7¼ inches at 185mm. It's 1¼ wide, 30mm, and weighs just over 5½ ounces, around about 160 grams. Quite a solid build. Aluminium, matte black finish, and with the end cap there's a nice silver ring to make it look quite smart. However, I'm not interested in the fashion piece, I'm interested in how effective it is. Inside, very interestingly, it's just a simple one-piece baffle. It appears to be made out of a very dense foam. This part here is quite open, very thin walled, so there's a nice large open chamber. Just about here there's the baffle with a small hole for the pellet to travel through, and then for the rest of it the chamber is quite wide, quite thick walled, so we have 3 different apertures, quite wide, very restricted, fairly open, and at the exit end is a small simple felt baffle with a hole for the pellet to travel through, and that goes just before the exit hole at the end of the silencer. I'll give this a try. I shall try 2 shots without the silencer and then 2 shots with, just to see how this very simple, quite interesting baffle design works. I'll give it a try. Let's have a listen to see what it sounds like. Webley FX 2000 177 4.5mm caliber. First of all, 2 shots without the silencers. And now let's see what it's like with the silencer.